Good evening, Father and all. My name is Nitya Vinil. I am one of the OET aspirants from EduSkills International. Today, I am going to deal with reading part C, question number 8. Our topic is allergic to eating. Okay, I am going to read the question. In the second paragraph, what point is made about food intolerance? When we read the question, we have to underline the hedging word. In this question, what are the hedging words? Point is the hedging word and about the food intolerance. These two are the hedging word of this question. Then we move to the answer option. The first option is scientists continue to disagree about the root causes. Okay. Scientists continue to disagree about the root causes. In this, we have to underline the hedging word, topic-based hedging word and a differentiating hedging word. In this, topic-based hedging word is causes and differentiating is disagree. And the next option is B. If the symptoms are indistinguishable from those of allergies. In this topic-based hedging word is symptoms and indistinguishable is the differentiating hedging word. And C option is they can have an unpredictable impact on the person affected. In this, impact is the topic-based hedging word and unpredictable is the differentiating hedging word. Then answer option D, the distinction between them and allergies is not widely appreciated. In this, topic-based hedging word is distinction and differentiating hedging word is not widely appreciated. Okay, I am going to read the text. An allergy, according to immunologists, is the immune system overreacting to a substance that would ordinarily to be considered benign. However, the term allergy is used more loosely by the general public. People say they are allergic to a substance because it brings about some kind of adverse reaction in their bodies, some of which can be severe and may resemble to true allergic reactions. But unless the immune system itself is directly involved, experts categorize it as intolerance. Constant sneezing, itchy eyes or throat and inner ears, asthma, rashes and diarrhea can all be sign of food allergies. Intolerance can be bring on similar warning signs as well as things such as headaches, bloating and general lethargy. Over time, some allergy sufferers lose weight because there are so few food they can eat. Of course, the social implications are huge too. Eating is major social event. Okay, then we have to analyze the text. Okay, in this text, what we can understand? In the text, in the first sentence is the topic sentence. They are revealing what is allergy. Okay, we everyone know what is allergy. It is already written. But in the second sentence, however, is the contrast word we can see. And the text reveals the term allergy is used more loosely by the general public. That means even though allergy is a irritation that is generally used by the general public. People say they are allergic to a substance because it brings about some kind of adverse reactions in their bodies, some of which can be severe and resembles to true allergy. That means in the general public, they are widely misunderstand about the allergies and they are simply telling every reaction they are allergic. But scientists what they tell if the immune system itself is directly involved, expert categorize it as intolerance. That means allergy and intolerance is entirely different. Once it attacks the immune system, only it is called allergy. Otherwise, it is tell us intolerance. Okay. Then the text reveals what are the symptoms of allergy and intolerance. Sneezing, itchy eyes, throat, and inner ears, these all are the symptoms of the food allergies. Then the next sentence reveals intolerance can bring on similar warning signs as well as the things such as headache, bloating, and general lethargy. Apart from that symptoms, the intolerance patients may reveal these symptoms such as headache, bloating, and general lethargy. That is, these intolerance and food allergy and intolerance can be differentiated. From this paragraph, we can understand. Okay, then we move to the answer options. The scientists continue to disagree about their root causes. Whether it dealing any of the disagree about the root causes, no, we cannot see anywhere the root causes in this text. Then next is the symptoms are indistinguishable uh, uh, from those of allergies. That is the next option. Whether it is indistinguishable, no, it is differentiated because they are telling these food allergies and intolerance can be differentiated even though there is some similarities, they can be easily differentiated. So our second option we can easily eliminate. Then answer option C. They can have an unpredictable impact on the person affected. Whether it is unpredictable impact? No, because they are revealing the correct symptoms. What are the symptoms for the food intolerance and what are the symptoms for the food allergy? So we can easily distinguish there is no unpredictable impact. So we can eliminate that option also. Sorry. Then the answer option D. The distinction between them and allergies is not widely appreciated. Distinction between them means food intolerance, and allergies, food allergies is not widely appreciated. That we can see in the first two sentences. First sentence after the however, we can see allergy is used more loosely by the general public. General public, they don't know about the allergy and the food intolerance. So whenever they get intolerance, they usually tell allergy. So our answer option D is our answer. The distinction between them and allergies is not widely appreciated because public they don't understand widely. So our answer option is D. This is a gist based question. Whenever we understand in the paragraph the gist, the controlling idea, only we can understand. Then we can easily eliminate by understanding in the text. We can easily eliminate the three answer option and only one remaining, and that we can derive from the controlling idea. So I hope all of you understood. These are the way we can find out the answer. Okay, if you have any concern, please you can ask me. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Father and everyone.